He's scary.
Go get the bag. Go pick it up.
No,
Get this on
I'm
film.
not touching that bag.
Go pick it up.
No.
Why?
Because it's gross and I'm not touching it.
Just go pick it up and throw it
No,
away.
it's crawly and I don't want to touch it.
It's not crawly.
Yes, it is.
Just go pick it up. It's right there.
Oh.
It's right there.
I see it there and I'm not going to touch
Right
it.
there. Go get it.
I'm not Bill Dog.
Just go get the bag.
No, I'm not touching
Go get the bag.
I'm not touching the
Go
bag.
get the bag.
Stop it. You're mean.
No. Go get the bag, or I'm gonna open it up and let it out in here. Hey.
I'm gonna put this shit on you.
No. Go get the bag.
I'm not touching the damn bag.
Go get the bag, babe.
No.
Then if you don't want to do that, I must take it to you.
Don't.
So you
get
get to hold the
near.
bag.
Don't get near me with that.
Just hold it. It's a pretty moth, actually. See it moving? It's just a moth. That's a pretty big sucker.